Hi guys, my name is Joy and here's the programmers underscore JFJ YouTube channel. I'm here to an introduction to Python, but today we'll be focused on Python variables. Before we can start, we should have a clear explanation what are Python variables. Variable is a name which is used to refer memory location. Variable, also known as an identifier, and used to hold value. In Python, we don't need to specify the type of variable because Python is a infer language and support enough to get variable type. Variable's name can be a group of both letters and digits, but they have to begin with a letter or an underscore. It is recommended to use lowercase letters for variables names. Let's start coding, but before, you should think of a variable name attached to a particular object. In Python, variables no need to be declared or defined in advance, as is the case in many programming languages. To create a variable, you just assign it to a value and start using it. The assignment is done by an equal sign. For example, let's start by writing maybe a is equals to 50. Then let's try printing a. Let's run the program and see what it outputs. The program outputs 50 just because the a is assigned to the 50. This is to read and interpret, and once the a is assigned to 50, we can try more things by assigning our variables, such as a is equals to 10, b is equals to 50, c is equals to let's say 20. It's fine. Let's print all the variables at the same time, starting from a to c, a, b, and c. And let's run the program and see what it outputs. The program outputs all the variables at the same time just because we printed them at the same time as a, b, and c. Let's try this. Let's say a and b are equals to c, all of them. Let's say a it's equals to b, it's equals to c, it's equals to 200. Then let's print all of them and see what it will output. It outputs all the variables because they are assigned to 200. So let's try something new, as by assigning our names. Offset by name it's equals to Joy, it's a string. Age it's equals to 16. Let's print the name plus the age at the same time. Let's run our program and see what it will output. It outputs my name plus the age just because it's a variable name and age. They are all assigned to string. If you have started by watching my tutorials, I've gave a clear explanation of what does the print does. In many programming languages, variables are statically typed. That means the variable is initially declared to have a specific data type, and any value assigned to it is during its lifetime must always have that type. Variables in Python are not subjected to this restriction. In Python, a variable may be assigned to a value, one type later reassigned to another different value, as we can say var it's equals to 22,2 print var and see what it will output. It outputs the 22,2 just because we have assigned the 22,2 to the variable. So we are done today with our introduction to variables in Python. Please subscribe to this channel so we can release more videos based on Python. Thank you.